100 highly skilled and professional people, Shalimar today has earned a high reputation and standing in the real estate market. The group aims to set milestones in the sector of real estate through the use of latest technology and effective management. Listen to the melody, where nature plays the soothing tunes, emitting elements of inspirational living. Experience a natural lifestyle within a vibrant community atmosphere. Welcoming entrance, Shalimar Paradise is designed to ensure your peace of mind with its high-tech security and is committed to understand the importance of keeping homes safe and secure. Live amidst 24-hour security that will guarantee your freedom and safety. Regal patterned water bodies. Exclusive gated master-planned community. Planned and efficient network of roads. Inspired by green environs. Extensive green surroundings. Enticing ambience and picturesque outdoor settings. Feel the magnificence of luxury villas. Shalimar Paradise is a destination of exceptional villas. They're exclusive, stylish and luxurious, and have been meticulously designed for a relaxed, comfortable and elite living. Crafted with immense care, adequately lit and well ventilated, landscaped front and rear lawns, private spaces oozing tranquility. Enjoy a meal with your family in this elegantly designed dining room. Satiate your hunger by making delicious recipes in the kitchen. Make yourself comfortable in the spacious master bedroom. You'll find every element of luxury and comfort in the spacious living room. At Shalimar Paradise, relish endless pleasure that one could not resist in the wide array of amenities, vast assortment of benefits, great facilities and the unlimited views that one can ultimately enjoy while experiencing comfortable community living coupled with a unique and vibrant lifestyle. Get indulged in pleasure. Leave the clamor of everyday life behind to find solace in the lap of nature. An invigorating life is discovered when mind and body are in sync with soul. Discover the amazing moments. SAS Group has not only created landmark destinations for residential and commercial activities, but also ventured into integrated township projects. Driven by passion, this group dynamic is enriched with a team of talented individuals who dare to dream. SAS Group, a pioneer real estate development organization, has been fueling the infrastructural growth in sync with the holistic progress. Since its inception in the year 1985, it has been a continuous endeavor to converge with new technologies to offer value for money real estate solutions. ravishing water bodies and fountains, plenty of green and sit-out areas, captivating landscapes and streetscapes. At Shalimar Paradise, the thoughtfully designed clubhouse ensures that there is always a place to relax, refresh and unwind. Vivacious restaurant. State-of-the-art swimming pool. Shalimar Paradise is delightfully conceived to satisfy any range of needs, wants, desires, and the wealthy lifestyles one can look for a passionate life. Come, realize the dreams of life in bountiful